Namaskar everyone. I am chanting Om Srim Braji 108 times. Om Srim Braji, 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 Om Srim Braji. Om Srim Braji, 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 Om Srim Braji. Thank you so much. Attract whatever you want. I mean, attract wealth. This is all about Srim Braji is all about attract wealth. Because this is 2 years ago that this is the mantra which I have been chanting since 2 years. 2 years, yeah. And then this is really working well for me. Yes, I am. It is all about abundance and attracting wealth. Try it out and see the magic. Because this mantra really works for you guys. Like it was working for me, it is working for me. And then please try it. Srim Braji, this is all about wealth, attracting wealth. And please trust me guys, attracting wealth means it's not negative thing. We all need money, and then we all want money in this world, and then attract money and then attract wealth by using this mantra. Trust me, try it out every day and then say it, chant it, and then see the magic. Because now I can see that, once I started chanting this mantra, Dr. Pillai, has told me this mantra. I have seen in one of the YouTube videos, Dr. Pillai told this mantra, and it is really working well. Please try it and chant this mantra. Bye-bye.